In this video, I'm going to show you how to add XM to TradingView. Now, the truth is that you actually don't even have to add it because it's already integrated. So if you go to TradingView.com and you try to actually connecting it, you won't be able to find XM as a broker, and that's because TradingView charts, as you can see over here, are actually integrated inside XM platform already. So you have your charts over here by TradingView. It's the same chart you'll be able to see on TradingView. You can do your technical analysis right on here. You can go ahead and use the different tools here on the left to draw on your chart. You can go ahead and change the settings, change your chart settings up here. You can take screenshots up here top right, put on the indicators, change the candles, etc. Okay, so yeah, this is directly in here. You don't have to add anything anywhere because you can just use your XM dashboard over here and trade directly using TradingView charts. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.